Nice! Woohoo! Let's go. I'm ready. Winning again? You know it. Don't you underestimate me. I was raised in the jungle, you hear? And I'm only headed up from here. Little robots should be loved, not chased. Mine went farthest before it melted. And the best part is, they're all unregistered with the serial number scratched off. Us too. He even wrote a song only about me. It's called Every Single Girl I've Ever Met. Yeah, you see, you switched sides, and your bad luck overpowered Eggman's good luck, but you were really on our side, so by losing, you won.